Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to leveling up your weapon faster by using an item. So firstly, you have to click your loadout. Uh, this is my loadout page. There is an inventory option in here. Click the inventory option. This is your inventory or my inventory. As you can see, there are a lot of items that you can get from the game. uh, some of them is double weapon experience card, so you can use this item to leveling up faster your weapon by using it. So for example, this is the blue one. You can use this card. The benefit of this card is double the amount of experience of your weapon by playing 10 matches. So by playing 10 matches, you can faster leveling up your weapon. Home back. This is the purple one. The purple one is double the amount of your weapon experience in the next 24 hours. So you can leveling up your weapon faster in 24 hours limit. So you can get this item by playing more game and complete the mission itself. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. Thank you.